Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an actual night vision device and a charged battery. Once done, open your inventory and place the NVG in the head slot. Make sure the battery is in the same item stack or a compatible battery slot. You do this now because DayZ requires the item to be equipped before activation. After equipping, close inventory and get into a safe spot. You'll test activation in the next step. Don't waste batteries outdoors yet. You now activate the NVG while wearing it. Press the hotkey Default is N or your custom bind, and the view should switch to green-tinted night vision with a visible vignette. That confirms power on. Once active, adjust brightness in the optics settings if you need more contrast versus bloom. If you have an IR laser attachment, enable it to mark targets. Use binoculars or a spotter to check clarity at distance. Make sure to conserve battery life between uses. To finish, power the NVG off when finished to preserve charge. You'll thank yourself later. If activation fails or the screen stays black, first swap in a fresh charged battery and re-equip the device. Inventory attachments must be correct. If that doesn't help, make sure your keybind isn't conflicting with another action and disable mods that alter HUD or optics. One troubleshooting tip: reload the area by moving a short distance to force the game to refresh item states. That often resolves stuck devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.